Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. This lab guide is on how to create a Microsoft Entra ID dynamic group with Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Dynamic groups are groups that have their group membership updated dynamically based on defined rules. If used properly, dynamic groups can save you a lot of time and improve the security of your network. Dynamic groups require you to have a Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2 subscription. When a group membership rule is applied, user and device attributes are evaluated for matches with the membership rule. When an attribute changes for a user or device, all dynamic group rules in the organization are processed for membership changes. Users and devices are added or removed if they meet the conditions for a group. Access Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You must be a global administrator or user administrator to add dynamic group in Microsoft Entra ID. Click on Go to Microsoft Entra ID. Click on Groups and select All Groups. On the top menu bar, select New Group. Enter a name for the group in the Group Name area. Enter a brief but meaningful description for the group in the Group Description area. Make sure that As Ready roles can be assigned to the group is set to No. In future, maybe this option can be renamed to Microsoft Entra ID roles can be assigned to the group, because Microsoft is currently renaming Azure Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. Under Membership Type, select Dynamic User as the membership type. If you want to add owner for this group, you have to click on No Owners Selected link and select the user which you want to set as an owner of this group. Here, I'm not going to define any owners at the moment. Click on Add Dynamic Query under Dynamic User Members. Select the property of the user for the rule. Choose a country. Select operator. I'll go with equals. Type United States in the value field. After defining the condition, click in Rule Syntax. You can see your rule user.country equals United States. After defining the rule, select Save. Select Create to create the group. Click on Refresh. Confirm that the dynamic user group USA user created successfully and listed on All Groups page. If your group is not listed under All Groups page, you have to wait for a few seconds, or you can click on Refresh to see the updated group list. At top bar, you can see a warning from Microsoft. Dynamic group membership have not been updated due to system delays. We are working to resolve the issue, so sometimes it takes few minutes to few hours to see the updated group membership for dynamic device or dynamic user group. You can see the dynamic rule processing status and the last membership change date on the overview page for the group. To see that, click on Group Name. Check the last membership change date and time. It is 1st January 2000. This means it is not updated yet. For dynamic rule processing status, you can see it is not started yet. Dynamic membership updates can be processed for all the groups within the organization in about 24 hours. You will have to wait for the dynamic rule processing to finish. After that, you will have members in your dynamic user group based on the rule which you have defined. In this lab, you learn how to create a dynamic user group in Microsoft Entra ID. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.